we're going for a job fair this month. Oh, the same day Vibes Carter came out, a horrible thing happened to me. To me to go and see my friend. I haven't seen her in almost a year. And that's the other thing. Why don't you want to tell how much you're going to pay people? But guess what your girl have? Lies, who I'm here with. Hi. Like recruiters here, company, I feel like they don't really fully understand the importance of transferable skills. Like so yeah. Period. So anyways, face greasy. I'm going to make breakfast now because I have not ate. So this is how my room is looking right now. That's the dustbin in the corner. We set up the TV. I need to take these off the wall. I have some stuff from Japan and Thailand. My desk is all set up. I'm going to move it out as well, and the chair. That painting is so adorable. Let's look at it. I don't know if you can see. It looks kind of crazy, but it's adorable to me. Got it in America when I went to Little Rock. All these wire stuff, I have to have a little bucket to put them in. But this is how the room is looking, kind of empty. So they're gonna paint the walls. I think I'm gonna put it in white. I think I'm gonna paint my room in white. Yeah, and the bed. Hi, morning. I'm hungry. I am hungry. Yeah, it's after 2 now, almost 3. I supposed to get a package delivered to me today, but I'm not sure where it is yet. Someone is sending me a present. Someone sent me a package, period. Anyways, and you look really bright. Yeah. So I catch you later.
My name is Pink and I'm really glad to meet you. You're recommended.
So I received the cutest basket, but guess what? The fruits are a bit spoiled, the grapes are spoiled, the cantaloupe is spoiled, but the basket is cute. Yeah. Alright, so it comes with a bucket, a small bucket, and then it comes with chips. A grape! Yeah. My papaya, it has papaya, pear, apple, kiwi, mango, grapes. You eat it? Yeah, wash. Pineapple, fruits and nuts, Welch's, oatmeal cookie, drinks, and so on. And chocolate. Okay, so I know I'm in my corners and all of that, but we're going for a job fair this morning, and I'm trying to look my best. I have 2 options. I put on the pants already, and we can go with this top. I don't know if you can see clearly this top, and let me show you the pants that I'm in. And I would look, and these are the pants. Don't mind the fan at the background. So this is how the pants will be looking, and this top. I think when I look a little bright for the interview, don't mind me here. I'm gonna put on a wig, or I can go in black. I can put on a black dress and go, right? But I feel like it's summer. I want a little color, and I'm going to camera Louis Vuitton, and I'm gonna put on a wig. Let's see. So I have Louis Vuitton bag. We have Rust shoes, and I have some bandanas I'm going to put on. We have Zara top, Japan GU pants. Bring down the look. Alright, we're for good now. face for the interview. My hair is in my face. I look a hot mess. I came to Montego Bay Convention Center out by Rosal, but the thing is actually happening downtown at Mobe Cultural Center. Let me see if I can tap in and focus because the lights are bright. So I have to go back.
This a survival story, true get a story.
Look at this. Oh, let me tap in. Wait. I got a bouquet. I know I'm looking slightly, most of the times when I come on camera, I don't know why I'm looking slightly homeless, but I got it for corners. But look at my bouquet. Let me see. Look at my zoom in on the bouquet, because the bouquet. Look at my bouquet. The leaves are looking a bit dry down here, but don't mind that. Sorry. I know in previous clips, wait, I'm just trying to show the bouquet properly. I don't know if I can get a photo like this. Previous clips let me get comfy. In previous clips I was showing the flowers. I got a basket. Yay! I got a gift basket sent to me by a special friend. But the fruits, it was a fruit basket, but the fruits, let me bring it in a little closer to me so you can see me clearly. Hold on. Yeah, my eyes look a bit puffy and dark. I haven't been sleeping, but anyways, so I got a fruit basket sent to me, but the fruits were a bit spoiled, so I didn't do a proper video of that because I smelled when I got the basket, I smelled that it was going a bit bad. The fruits were going a bit bad, so I didn't have a moment to take a good video of the outside of the basket or pictures or nothing like that. I just wanted to open it and see what was going on the inside, but I will insert pictures and videos of the basket. I could tell that it had potential outside of the fact that the stuff were a bit spoiled. But I reached out to the company to tell them that I was quite disappointed because it was not the first time getting some from that flowers from them before, a big bouquet from them before. However, this time the fruits were spoiled, so I was a bit concerned about that. So I told them that, I'm quite disappointed, blah blah blah. So they promised that they will send another fruit basket to me. So when I get it, I'll do a better video and better pictures of it. So yeah, don't mind that. But hello, what's going on? I'm going to finish out the vlog today. I'm going to finish out the video today, but so much has been happening, right? My hair is all shrinked and, but it's cute. It's but what is going on in my life? Oh, the same day Vibes Carter came out, a horrible thing happened to me. Horrible. It's drying now, but look at my bag. This is water stain. This is what water stain looks on leather. The entire bottom was wet, so it's a bit discolored, but the side is a bit bright right now. The side, I plan to clean it today, but look at it, watermark. I'm going to forever remember that this happened the day Vibes Cartel was freed. I'm trying to get it dried right now, but backstory. I was done with my brother, and I was packing up my stuff to come back home. I had the bouquet outside on the veranda. I had the bag on the veranda, and they were on a table. My nephew pulled down the bouquet. It fell on the table. The water spilled and everything. My phone, my bag, everything got wet. I was inside. When I came out and saw that the bag was wet, I grabbed the bag and I started to dry the bag because it's a Louis Vuitton. I mean, the phone is important, extremely important, because I'm videoing on the phone right now. But I don't know what about dust is, or like a flower catch the blows. But I grabbed the bag and I started to dry the bag, and I've been letting it sit outside because you're not supposed to put hot air on it. So I've been letting it sit outside to dry. But yeah, the bag got wet. That is very traumatizing. The first day, literally first day that I brought it out since I've been back, because I wanted to go to a job interview, and the bag got wet. Baby, So yeah, that's happened. What else? Oh, the job interview. So I started to video that and then I stopped. But let's reflect on the job interview. It went really good. It was a job fair. So I had more than one companies there, but it was the parent company have like a group of small companies, right? And so I did an interview with one company and it went really well. You know, they were saying that why didn't I apply for another position, because, you know, based on my personality and all of that, I really fit for other position. I don't want to talk too much about it right now. Let's see how it works out. Let's see, keep our fingers crossed. But that was pretty good. Another company I did the interview for, it was a bit weird. I don't know if the interviewer was a bit threatened by me, but it was just a bit weird. Like his energy was a bit weird. And I realized that he didn't really truly go through my resume to evaluate like all the skills that I have, all the experience that I have. He was a bit abrupt. I don't know, probably they found it was an HR administrative assistant position. I think probably they found the person for the position already, why they did not seem so interested in me. I don't know, but yeah, but the job, I'm trying to get some experience interviewing and stuff like that, so I didn't mind. It was pretty good. I'm not going to talk too much about it because I just want to see how it plays out. I'll probably do another video about job hunting in Jamaica, but I must say, I feel like recruiters here or human resource personnel, people looking for new employees for their company, I feel like they don't really fully understand the importance of transferable skills. Like, yes, I taught English for 5 years, but there are so many other transferable skills that comes with me as a person. The fact that I understand different personalities, the fact that I'm able to work with different personalities successfully, right? I've never had a complaint in my previous jobs. The fact that I'm able to evaluate, you know, do reporting, communication skills, the fact that I'm able to do persuasive skills, you know, the fact that I have persuasive skills, the fact that I'm able to train, because as a teacher you're able to train people, you're able to educate people, right? All of those type of skills, and I feel like I do well in human resource, but for the love of Lord, I don't know why, but it's like it's so hard for me to get into a human resource position here, and it's annoying because I'm really passionate about human resource and coordination and stuff like that. But it's like if you don't have any clear cut, like you were in human resource before, you cannot get a job in human resource here, and it's bothering. Yeah. But anyways, I'm not going to allow that to bother me. I had another interview supposed to be today. So today is August 2nd. Yeah. I was supposed to have another interview in Kingston, but I evaluated like how much, and that's the other thing. Why don't you want to tell how much you're going to pay people? Like not until the second interview or when you're hired, you'll know how much you're paid. What? So why am I going through all of this hiring process, all of these interviews that I'm going through and not knowing how much I'm going to work at the end of the day? So I'm like, you know what, give me a range. Tell me what's the range. No, we can't tell you the range because, so why are you wasting my time? Suppose I'm really passionate about this job, but then I'm also passionate about money. And when I get to the hiring stage, I'm realizing that I'm working little to nothing. How does that work? It makes no sense to me. But I realize that's a common thing out here, and that's quite annoying. So anyways, the job that I was supposed to interview for today in Kingston, I asked them the range, you know, just give me a range. So they told me the range, and I was calculating based on the fact that I'd have to move to Kingston, pay rent, pay utilities, pay utilities, buy food. So rent would be around 60,000, the lowest I'm seeing a place for in Kingston, and I need security. But 60,000, okay. 20,000 in transportation for the month, that's 80. Call it around 10,000 thereabout for utilities. That's 90. Food is another 20. That's 110. The least they probably take out for tax and all of those type of things that they pull out of your pay would be another 20. That's 130. I have my insurance separate and apart. Like almost 20. That's 150. And in that range that they were offering, 150 is like the lowest, and it would go up to like 180,000. And then when I calculated, if I don't want to work in a call center. I feel like the environment would not be for me in Montego Bay. But even if I worked in a call center, I'll be going home with the same amount in savings. It's just that I'm working less, but my bills wouldn't be so much. But of course, I wouldn't need to rent a place. But mighty God, anywhere you take it, that's what I was saying in Jamaica. Anywhere you take it, Maka juke you. Maka would juke me anywhere I take it. Because if I go to Kingston, I have a higher bill. I have a higher amount in bills to pay. You're earning more, but your expenses are more. Anyways, I am done. I'm going to make breakfast. I'm going to apply for a few more jobs. Yeah. Life is not bad. Life is okay. I was feeling a bit sick yesterday, but I'm okay now. I don't know. Do I look cute? My braids made me look like a little boy, but that's fine. Okay, guys, come with me to go and see my friend. I haven't seen her in almost a year. She's here from Japan. She's here from Japan, and we're going to link up. Let me show you what I'm wearing. So let me step back. Okay, guys, what I'm wearing. So on the hat, I'm wearing my Prada hat. My face a bit sweaty. The place hot. So I'm wearing my Prada hat. No jewelry, because we're gonna take public transportation. We're gonna Falmouth. We're gonna Moby. So yeah, no jewelry. Gap top. I believe it's Gap or in Old Navy. The bag is thrifted in Japan. Yeah, thrifted in Japan. It's beautiful. Belt, Sheen, shorts. Shorts is from Gap or Old Navy. Sneakers, filler. Sneakers, filler. Filler times Lanvin collection. So it's filler times Lanvin collection. Let's go. Guess who I'm here with? Hi. What people from behind me? Hi. Nervous. We're nervous. Hold on, I first come up on that? No. So all you have like in a we're taking Kiji to the markets. We're trying to get some coconuts. So that one look sweet? I say you think? Yeah. On the green side. So you can say that one the Kiji. See that? Kiji's first coconut back in. With straw. We can get straw. Yeah, straw. So what we're going to drink with? I want a straw. She can drink without no straw, but me want a straw. Kiji empty the coconut in a one go. You want him to warm? You know what you want me? Look at the fruit basket. The flowers are all fresh and beautiful. We have some Welch's. Ooh, I'm trying to turn it around. We have some grapes. Look at the grapes, so big and juicy. We have a bottle of wine. We have Welch's juice. This is like tropical rhythm. Wow, banana, pineapple, pistachio. Love that. Love that. Okay, so here's all that we got. We got fruits and nuts. I'm put it right here. So we have Nature Valley, like 2 Nature Valleys. Cadbury chocolates. Fruits and nuts. Pistachio. Welch. Tea bag. Fruits. Crackers. Welch. Tropical rhythm. Pineapple. The wine. This Paroline. Banana, yeah, and a small bouquet. So I'm quickly jumping back in just to say like, share, comment, subscribe. Like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Like the video, like other videos, of course. Share the video. share the video with a friend that wants to know about Jamaica, life in Jamaica, traveling. Just share the video. Alright, bye and thank you for watching.